Today we will talk about a hacker, new hackering problem, that is Mars exploration. Uh, it's written by Shafat. Very easy and good question on HackerRank. In that problem, if Sami is a person who is on the Mars and his spaceship crashed on Mars, uh, here Sami is she, you can say, so she sent n sequential S message to Earth for help. So please remember this word SOS. So she sent SOS, and that is sequential message to Earth for help. Later, in some of SOS messages are altered by cosmic radiation because it was sent from Mars. So some messages are altered by cosmic radiation during transmission, and we have to find how many numbers are, uh, you can say, exactly have been changed by radiation. We have to find out that words or how many letters of that is changed. We have to find that. So in that, there is one line of input. We will take an input like S, as the original message is just SOS repeated n times, and we will check. Okay, it will be 0, and then S will contain all the uppercase English letter if we have to find it. Suppose here it is SPS, the one is there array, the second is there, and the third is there, the third character. So this means we can say that uh, 1, 2 and 3 letters are basically altered or changed. Here only one letter is changed, so we have to find how many letters are changed for that. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, we will check how to write the code. We will just take an input. So here we can say I have taken a counter variable that will result, that is result res. There is a string s and m is sos. So sos is the variable, that message again and again we will repeat. Then we will take an input as a string. Then we will check. We will take a for loop for that. For int I is equal to 0, I less than, because to find the size for that, how many size, so I s dot size, I less than equal to s dot size, then I plus plus, but here I will take I plus 3. Why I have taken this, I will tell you later. Then I will check. I will take an string s, and then I will s dot,
चावल नहीं
and
बनता
then I
यार
will
चावल
s dot
रोटी में डाल लेंगे
str, sorry, sub str, comma from I to I plus 3. So now we will check
चावल कौन खाएगा
that
चावल
the,
बताओ
so then now we will check if s is equal to m, then it is okay. If s is not equal to m, then we will count it res plus equal to 1. After the loop, we will print it out, C out s. So let's check the result, how to take the value, or how will it will print. It's compiling, and then now I will take SOS in the first message, then SPS the second message, then SRS, then SO and E. So there is 3 error, P, R and E. So there is 3 error. Now I am taking this again. If there is no error, S O S.
कितना
So
टाइम
there
है
is no error.
ये बनेगा क्या तो
Now
बनेगा
I will tell you how it will work. Suppose the input is SOS, SOP, SOS and SOP. What I have taken the for loop I is equal to 0 and s dot size, that is string size. So string size here is 6. So loop will go from 0 to 5. So 0, 1, 2. So I will take this three variable first of all, and it will trim. So after the trim, then I have taken the because string is in s, so I have taken the substring for that. So I 0, 0 plus 3. This means the first letter and the third letter. So here it will be sos, and the first sos is equal to sos, so it is equal. Then the I will be 0 plus 3. This means 3, 3. Then 3, 4 and 5 will be there. We will always we again take a substr, that is I plus 3, and then it will give us s plus 1. So that's how it will work. uh, One things we have to remember it. Suppose I have to print an output for that. I'm thinking that how substr is work actually. So suppose I can input this, then and then because it is good for the next line. Okay. So now, sorry for that. That is comment. Uh-oh. And the value is after the compilation as s b o s f o s s o s s o s. So there is four error. I have there is I think 1, 2, 3 error. So now I can check it. SOS, BOS, FOS, SOS, SS. So there is a counting of 4 because yep, there is only 1, 2, 3, 3 errors should be there. So there is an issue. Okay, let's check. So now I found out that how what is the exact out. So substr, how substr is work. So we can check it like that, s dot sub str. So substr is the size type, basic string, sub size type, position 0, size type and position and pause. Constant function, that is open declaration, open implementation, close and basic string. A function is this, so that is sub type and that is size type. And so it is position and it is number of you can say how many this we are using. So here it is the position I is 0 and how many character I am searching, that is 3. So now it will go 3 times, 3 times and 3 times. So let's check. That's how it will work. That was not good earlier. Now after the compilation, now it is SWS, SOS, SAS, WAS. So there is 3 error I guess. So WS error is WS. So we can say that okay, the 4 variable are there and we have taken it like that. Okay. I have another solution like this. Arrays is equal to SI not equal to MI percent 3. So how it is working? It will somehow lengthy because I guess I'm guessing it's somehow lengthy because it will go 9 times or 10 times or 100 times because the first one was going because I is equal to I plus 3, but here it is I is equal to I plus 1. So what I am doing, I am checking that SI, this means the first character, SI, the first character, and MI percent 3, that means every third three characters, third characters is same or not. So if it is not same, so I'm checking S is equal to this or not, then O is equal to this or this, not, then S is not equal, S is equal to this or not, because if I is equal to 0, so 0% 3 is equal to 0, so first one will be checked, then I is equal to 1, 1% 3 will be 1, so 1 O will be checked, and then S will S and S will be checked. So suppose first one will be S, then O, then S, then S again, then O, then P, and S and P are not equal here, so it will take the result. If it is equal, it will give three. You can say it will give true or false value, and true or false is 1 and not 1. So if it is not equal, then it will give us 1. Then it will increase res plus equal to. So it's also a very good code. So that's how we will solve this type of question. It's very easy. You can find more about this question at codeenvy.com in various languages like Python, Java. You can also like our channel. Please subscribe this channel, and we have created Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google Plus pages also, so you can follow there also. Just enjoy coding and say, let's say you have a code envy. Thank you very much. This is Saf from Code Envy.